Hi there, I'm Matthew Wiseman, Director and Mortgage Advisor at The Money Hub. So I'm doing a quick video about bad credit mortgages. Now we get a lot of inquiries in this area, so I thought I'd do a quick video explaining what bad credit mortgages are, how lenders can help clients, and go through common questions that clients ask us. So what is a bad credit? So this is where you've taken out forms of credit, such as loans or credit cards, and not kept to the terms of the agreement. This has therefore resulted in missed payments, which could have then led to defaults, and then potentially county court judgments being registered. Now, this information will show on your credit report for a period of 6 years. So with these types of mortgages, lenders will look at many factors. For example, the date in which this bad credit was registered. Was the bad credit on, say, a loan or a credit card or a mail order? How much was the bad credit for? So for example, was it a £200 default on a mobile phone bill, or was it a £10,000 loan default? Since the bad credit happened, have you managed to clear this bad credit and maybe satisfy any defaults that have been registered, for example? They want to know the reason behind why did this happen, this bad credit. It is very important from the start that you always get a copy of your credit report. Now we recommend a company called Check My File, and they show the credit data from both Experian and also Equifax. That's the first thing I will always say to clients: get a copy of your credit report, review it thoroughly, and then discuss it with a mortgage advisor. So where are bad credit mortgages available? So generally these are available via brokers. Your high street banks, for example, require you to have a good credit score. And if you've had bad credit registered in the past, more than likely your credit score will be low. So therefore you want to go to more specialist lenders. Now these specialist lenders offer most of their products via brokers, such as ourselves. So it's important that you speak to a broker in this area that has got experience in these types of cases, because they are more complex and lenders will ask for a lot more information. So a common question we get is around what sort of deposit would be required. And there's no straightforward answer to this really. It all depends upon the bad credit that's been registered. A general rule of thumb is the more recent the bad credit, the less lenders would be available. Therefore, the bigger deposit would be required and the higher the rate would be. But say it's very much you want to speak to an advisor to go through what your options are, and they can give you advice in this area. So how much can you borrow on a mortgage? So lenders typically lend 4 to 4.5 times your income. However, there's many other factors that will come into play. They will look at how long is the mortgage going to be for, the way in which your income is made up. So if, for example, you get a lot of overtime and commission, lenders may not take into consideration all of this extra income. And if you've got financial commitments such as loans or credit cards, these commitments will also have to be factored into how much you can afford to borrow long term. So how do you apply for a bad credit mortgage? So the first thing, as previously mentioned, you want to get a copy of your credit report. Then you want to speak to an experienced mortgage advisor. They will then go through a fact find with yourself to work out exactly what your needs and requirements are going forward. From there, the advisor would do research and come back and give you some quotations, and they can then proceed to an agreement in principle if you wish. Now, once you have this agreement in principle in place, this means the lender is happy to provide you with the money, providing the information that's been submitted by the broker can be verified, and also a valuation on the property being carried out. Well, I'm Matthew Wiseman, Director and Mortgage Advisor at The Money Hub. Hopefully you found this quick video helpful. If you'd like more information or to speak to me about a potential inquiry, please either give me a call or drop me an email. Thanks for watching.